Hey guys, what's up? It's Paige Bros right here, and today I'm with two of my good friends, Sean and Tyler.
Yo, what's up?
And we're doing a humor-ish video with hoverboards. No, okay, fine. Okay, so we're doing hoverboard tricks and funny stuff. Okay, so here we go. How long does it take Tyler to fall? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Fall!
Oh, freak! Oh, stupid.
You made a pee.
Oh, freak, what? Oh,
And the answer is 5 seconds.
frick.
Charge it then, and we'll do something else.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to think. What else can we do?
Ambush Tyler.
No, let's go outside.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it, and then we'll think of an idea. Okay, I will see you back in a second. Hey guys, welcome back, and we're back here. And what we're doing now, because the hoverboard died, kinda, is that we're making funny pictures on Tyler's hat. What's it called again?
iPad.
No, not the system.
Oh, this is these are my funny pictures from Pixel Art.
No, Pixel Art, that's what it's called?
Yep.
I'll leave a link in the description.
So you can download it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
So, no, like with the actual people.
Oh, so this is just
Whatever that is. Dorothy, go out.
that's Sean.
Ryan Reynolds, Sean.
Wait, what? I thought I probably didn't save most of them. Oh, here's my friends.
It's Donald Trump. It's the president of the United States.
And then another friend.
Wait, is this your tablet from school or iPad or whatever?
School, yeah.
Okay. What the shit? What the heck?
Me.
Whoa.
I will jump over the wall in 2020. Collage of Deadpool, yeah. And then right now I'm probably gonna make another right after that.
Wait, hold on, guys. I need to talk to them real quick about something. Okay, I will see you in a second. Oh my gosh, guys, something hilarious just happened.
You tell them I'm gonna make one.
So Sean, he was on the hoverboard and did the exact same thing. He came riding, hit the bed, and fell, and it's still in peace. Twice.
Are you okay, Boner?
Okay. Okay, hold up.
Hold up, I'm making
Okay, guys, we're back. And Whit's trying to do this thing. I don't know how it works. Because I'm a retard. What the hell are you doing now? Better hurry up. Because I only like my videos a certain amount of time.
Dude, watch out for my sister's Lego. She's gonna kill you.
Oh, so look at it. Oh, shit.
Stop.
Let's demolish it.
No.
Yes. Okay. This is what we're doing for the rest of the video. That on that.
No.
Come on, Sean, do it.
Oh, my sister's gonna get mad. Oh. And then my mom's gonna be all taking my hoverboard away.
No. Come back to me.
Dude, my mom's gonna take away my hoverboard if we destroy it anymore.
No.
Help. Back to me.
Okay.
I just finished the photo.
What the hell is that?
It's called.
Oh, now I see. Okay, is that from Deadpool? Wait, I didn't even get to see it, Sean. Go back. Go fucking back right now.
It's too late.
Too late. You stupid little bitch.
No, too bad. I don't fuck with you.
They didn't even get to see it.
It's hard.
Even though that no one's even watching.
They don't give a crap.
Put in the comments that you get hashtag I give a crap.
Yeah, you don't.
Hurry the fuck up before I fuck you up.
Does your mom check your channel?
Huh?
Does your mom check your channel?
She doesn't even know I have it.
Are you? Wow. How'd you get it?
It's complicated. I was messing with it. Okay, so... Okay. Come on! Hurry up!
Start the video.
It's been going.
What?
It's going. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pause it for when...
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna pause it for when Sean is done. Okay? Yeah. Right.
Doing.
Oh. Boop, boop, boop. Die. Die. Let go, baby. Too hard. Too hard.
It was the one.
Do it.
Wait.
What's these?
They're broken.
They are?
Yeah.
What happened?
Don't know.
Ow! Sorry, guys. I accidentally hit the pause button again. All right, come on. Show me.
It up.
Okay, we'll do a room tour of Tyler's room while Sean's finishing. Okay, so here's his Lego crap. No one cares about this shit. Ow! And his collectible.
It's a model.
Model collectible, same thing. Bunch of Marvel Legos. Bunch of other stuff for costumes.
Yeah, you should try checking my link even though I don't have one. So I'll probably get one this... So I'll probably just get one
That's
myself.
not how links work.
I don't care. I'm probably just gonna get an account and then you can check my you can probably check my account and you can see my customs all over the place.
Okay, there's... What the shit?
I got a
Give
new
me this shit.
I got a new case. Wait. You're not having
Can I steal it?
Nope.
Oh,
I'm not taking
mine.
This is brand new.
Wait, let me see it real quick. I'm not gonna steal it, sir. Hold up.
It's for Samsung's.
Holy shit. I want it.
No.
I'll give you $20.
Screw no.
30,
No.
40,
No.
50,
No.
60,
No.
70,
No.
80,
No.
90,
No.
100.
No.
What? Fuck
No.
this case.
And you already have $100 in the bank.
Yeah, but I have $100 in my safe at home. Are you done yet?
Oh my god.
I have a mobile safe.
Oh my, I know.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it again because Sean's taking 500,000 hours.
I'll be
See you
back
in a minute.